Hello there everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, we are going to be doing a unbagging and try on, if possible, of my December IPSY bag. So here is the bag for this month. It is a light pink Sherpa material. Now it is the holiday season, so I was expecting something a little more holiday-y. I mean, like, I get that the Sherpa's like warm and cozy, but like, I don't know, this does not scream December and Christmas and holiday season to me whatsoever. I do have to say this does have a pretty good heft to it though, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing, and I'm assuming this is the reason that it is so heavy, is this Murad Essential C Cleanser. It's a vitamin C cleanser, and I think this might actually be an exfoliant too, because I do see little beads in here of some sort. Doesn't say on here, but this is a really good size. Like, overall, I'm impressed with the size of this sample. I have tried their Essential C moisturizer that has SPF in it, and that does work really well for my skin. A lot of SPFs do not, so hopefully, since this is the same line, it'll all just work out really well. The second product that I have is a Violet Voss eyeshadow single in the shade Pretty in Pink. Okay. I did do a swatch of it already, so it's kind of all messed up, but it is just a shimmery pink shade. It is really, really soft. It is rather chunky, unlike normal glitters. I'm seeing tons of chunks on my skin right now, and it's really chunky in the pan too. It is a nice pink. It kind of matches this here. I honestly would say if you go light enough with this, this could be a highlighter too. So although it doesn't look like it in the pan, I mean, all it is really shimmer with a pink shift to it. Could probably use this for a highlighter as well. I am going to try this on, but I'm going to wait until the very end. So let's keep going with the items. Well, that's not exciting. Sorry. I have a soothing hand and body butter with lavender and oatmeal. This probably would smell super good. Not that this is a bad product, it's just like lotion. Woohoo! I have so much lotion here. I don't need more. I probably will just put this in one of the Christmas gifts that I'm going to be giving as just a little extra something something. Alright, fourth product is by Beauty For Real. I don't know why it says Brooke USA, and then on the bottom it says Hannah. So I'm assuming the name Hannah is the shade name. I don't know what Brooke USA is. Beauty For Real is the brand. But anyways, this is a lip balm. And it's honestly a really stunning color. I'm just going to do a little something something right there. Now this is, I'm just going to go la 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 la, put it on, put it on. It smells a little minty. There must be a little menthol mint in here. It smells like, oh my gosh, what is it called? It's a Bare Minerals. It smells like one of the Bare Minerals lip glosses I've tried in the past, and I don't know the name of it. But this says it's a lip balm, but looking at the texture on my hand and both feeling it on my lips now, it honestly feels like a cross between a lip balm and a lipstick. Like, to me, this seems more of a lipstick than a balm, but there's like no information on it whatsoever. It doesn't say whether it has like normal lip balm chapstick ingredients in it, so I honestly don't even know. Okay, the next product I saved for last is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I already took it out of the box. This is in the shade 3.5, which is, I believe, something neutral medium brown or something like that. I was only given 2 shades to choose out of, and this seemed like the lesser of 2 evils. Now, I did swatch it on my eyebrows already, and I already know that it is not the right color for me. It's close, but not fully. Like, if I had to cover a whole eyebrow, it would be okay. But in my case, I just have to fill in kind of up here. So in that case, it has to be an exact match, and this is just not an exact match. So I'm actually going to zoom in, and I'm going to do this so I can show you guys. Zoomed in enough now. I'm going to say this. I'm not going to try to do like a good eyebrow job right now. I'm just going to say that. I'm purposely trying to make this look bad, so you can see the difference in color of my eyebrows. Like, that's it, okay? So, first of all, I guess I was expecting more from this. Maybe a different shape or something. I wasn't expecting it literally to be like pencil lead. But anyways, so I'm literally doing this dramatic once again on purpose so you can see the difference in color. Can we see that here? And then I'll try to fill in this part here. Ooh, girl needs her eyebrows done. The shade is a much warmer shade than my eyebrows. My eyebrows are pretty cool. In terms of the product itself, I'm not impressed. Like, everybody talks about this pencil. Everybody talks about it, and I don't get it. I've tried better, and I don't even use eyebrow products, and I've tried better than this. I don't know, I think there's drugstores products that work about exactly the same. But once again, I'm doing my brows like this on purpose, so I don't know if you're zoomed in close enough to see the difference in color here. Honestly, this product, I would probably be happy with it if it was the right color, but it's not. And once again, I know that IPSY probably only has so many colors that they can give out, but I think I'm more upset about the fact that I cannot find a brow product that matches my color. Eyebrow color. I cannot find one anywhere. I hope that at least you can laugh when you look at me now because my eyebrows. If I can make you laugh, then I've accomplished my goal for the day. So those are all of the products in my IPSY bag. I am not impressed. I'm not completely disappointed either. This one is just kind of like bleh, whatever for me. I am disappointed in the bag and the theme. They could have done better for the holidays. I'm disappointed that I got a lotion. I'm disappointed in the color choices. I am impressed with the size of this. Holy cow, the size of that. I like the brand. I like a lot of the brands in here, but just the products themselves are just kind of bleh for me. Okay, and I'm going to say something, and it is not aimed towards IPSY necessarily. I'm just going to use it in terms of IPSY so we know what I'm talking about, if that makes sense. But it's towards all companies with a lot of money, but I'm just going to use it towards IPSY. Like, IPSY gives out 6 products for free sometimes instead of 5. They'll just, you know, have a little surprise for you here and there, and I was secretly hoping deep down that this bag would be one of them for the holiday season. Like, it's December, it's the last month of the year. 2020 has been absolute crap for everybody, you know, and I thought maybe they would be spreading a little extra joy by maybe giving a 6th product away for free. And once again, this is not aimed towards IPSY in general. It's just, it really pisses me off to my core that companies with so much money are not doing more. Especially during the holiday season for this year. Like I said, this year's been crap for everybody. Everybody is struggling besides these companies, and they can't do diddly squat for us. It pisses me off. Okay, end rant. Sorry, I know I got off topic there. I don't like to do that, but let me know what you guys think. Maybe you guys got some better stuff than me. Like I said, this was just for me, so we'll see what next year's IPSY bag holds. Holy cow, that's kind of crazy to say. Next year's IPSY bag. Whew. If I don't see you before the new year, I'm wishing you nothing but happiness and health in the new year. I'll see you guys soon.